Imagine waking up to find money in the bank while sleeping. Sounds like a dream, right? It doesn't have to be. Here are 7 real ways to make passive income that work in 2025. Let's dive in. Passive income means earning money with minimal effort. It's not completely set it and forget it, but once established, it runs on autopilot. The goal? More freedom, less stress. First, dividend investing. Investing in dividend-paying stocks is one of the most reliable ways to earn while sleeping. Companies like Coca-Cola and Apple reward shareholders just for holding their stock. Apps like Robinhood or Fidelity make it easy to start with as little as $10. Next, YouTube automation. No need to be on camera. YouTube automation channels use voiceovers and stock footage. Once a video goes viral or ranks well, it generates ad revenue month after month. Third, sell digital products. Create a digital product once, like a planner, ebook, or Excel template, and sell it forever. Platforms like Gumroad, Etsy, or Payhip handle transactions automatically. Fourth, affiliate marketing. Recommend products you love. When someone buys through your link, you earn a commission. Amazon, Coursera, and even banks offer affiliate programs. Fifth, rental income. Buy or sublet a property and rent it out. Airbnb can turn a spare room into a cash machine. Yes, it takes setup, but once it's running, it's passive gold. Sixth, print on demand. Design once, sell forever. With print-on-demand platforms like Redbubble or Teespring, you create designs, and they handle printing, shipping, and support. Finally, high-yield savings and bonds. This one's not flashy, but it's safe. Put money in high-interest accounts or government bonds. It's not huge money, but it beats letting cash sit idle. Passive income isn't about quitting work, it's about giving options. Start small, stay consistent, and over time, money starts working for you. Thanks for watching. Drop a comment and share which idea you'll try first. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more smart money content.